Hey guys, so today is just gonna be me, Sean. I just wanted to come and give you guys some travel tips. I don't know if you're like me and you love to travel and you want to do it on a budget and save some money, then you came to the right place. I'm gonna give you 5 travel tips with traveling with Spirit. And I know everybody's like, Spirit. Yes, they have their, shall I say, bad reviews, but I have traveled successfully with Spirit for several years now, and I want to show you how I do that. So if you'll stay tuned, I'll give you those 5 tips in just a moment. If you are new to traveling or you just want to see the world, sometimes you have to give up particular dates. Being specific about dates will cause you to spend a lot more money than you need to. Play with the dates on Spirit. That's one thing I love about Spirit. When you put in the dates, you can move the days, months, weeks, whatever you want to get the desired amount that you want to pay for your travel experience. So don't be specific, I never say that word right, about dates. Just try to look at a time where you can go that's affordable for you, a time that the prices are very low. This could save you hundreds of dollars if you play with the dates and go on off season. Try to go when people aren't going as much. And to be honest, it's actually better. You avoid the crowds. You also avoid them overpricing a lot of things in the off season. When it's in season, not only are you going to pay more for your flight, but you're also going to pay more for your hotel. So keep that in mind. Travel when you can. Don't be specific about the dates. Tip number 4. It is a good idea to book separately a lot of the times. Even when you're on Expedia, Travelocity, Hotwire, Priceline, all these different places that try to offer you these package deals, make sure you go on each flight site, American Airlines, Delta, Spirit, and price how much it's going to be with your flight separately and by you choosing the hotel that you wish. A lot of times you will save hundreds like that as well. Avoid the package deals. Unless it's to a specific hotel, I said it right that time, that you want to go to and they're offering a better deal as a package. But I do say avoid the package deals. Tip number 3. Packaging. As you can see, the bag that I was trying to pack, for one, it's way too big. And you're just not going to be able to get that much stuff in there. You want to get a smaller travel size bag, or you want to get even a duffel bag that you can carry, or a nice big tote. Victoria's Secret has really cute ones. They're a really nice size, and you can get a lot of stuff in those bags. So with that being said, when you're packing, and this is a packing tip I think everybody should really recognize, especially as women. We often want to bring 1,000 clothes. We never wear half of them, let's be clear. And often you get where you're going and you actually end up buying something else to wear. I know I do it all the time, because you get there and you get the vibes of the place and you realize that things you pack, A, may not go with the weather like you thought. The weather is different from what you anticipated. Or B, you are seeing how everybody else is dressing and you really want to dress according to the style or the area that you're in. So keep that in mind and keep a little room for that extra outfit. You also don't want to pack a lot of shoes. Pack 2 pair of shoes, a pair of flat shoes or tennis shoes, or you want to pack a pair of heels. That way you have something to go with everything and you have eliminated a lot of room in your bag. So be mindful of how you're packing. Check your bag size according to what Spirit allows you to bring for free. If I'm not mistaken, it's 18 by 14 by 16. I could be wrong about that, but I believe that is the actual size of the bag that they let you carry. And believe it or not, you can get a lot in those bags. I normally pack 2 pair of shoes. I pack 2 outfits a day, and my sleeping clothes, and my accessories, toiletries, all of that can go in that bag. It's just about the way you're packing the bag. And also with your accessories, eliminate a lot of them. Sometimes you can wear the same earrings or necklace with multiple outfits. Y'all, it is okay. It really is okay, because when you get out of town, you're gonna be having so much fun. You're not even gonna really be worried about that so much. So just focus on saving you money so that you can spend more money on your trip. Another good tip about packaging is to use 1 big bag per 2 people. A lot of times that's what me and my husband would do. We would get a really large suitcase, and we would just pack all our things together, thus charging us 1 baggage fee. So that's another thing to keep in mind. If you don't mind sharing a bag with your travel mate, whether it be your friend, whether it be your family member, use 1 bag, and that will cut you down on one of your baggage fees if you do in fact need to bring a bag to check in. Now, tip number 2. Get the membership with Spirit. Now, if you're a person that only travels once a year, if you don't travel that often at all, unless it's an occasion that calls for travel, i.e. wedding, unfortunately a funeral, then there's absolutely no point in getting the membership. But if you do know that you're going to travel at least 3 times a year, you need to get the membership. It will save you on your bags, and it will save you on your flights, because a lot of times they do have some great deals with their membership. So keep that in mind. Again, I would not recommend it if you don't travel often, but if you do, get the membership. It will pay for itself. My number 1 tip: go to the airport and purchase your tickets. Spirit charges you $38 per person round trip for each ticket that you book online. A lot of people are not aware of that. And hold it, don't run American Airlines, Delta, Southwest. They don't do that. It won't help you. This only applies to Spirit. I know $38 round trip does not seem like a lot when you put in the fact that you have to go to the airport, but if you are traveling as a family or as a group, if you have a travel group, you're going on girls trips, these amounts add up. I have a family of 6, and when we travel as a family, us going into the airport saves us $230 off of our flights. I don't know about you, but $230 is a lot to me to save. That will pay for our meals for a couple of days. That can be money I put on my hotel. So keep that in mind. I hope these tips helped you. And if you want future travel tips for other places, I travel a lot. So I have a really good tips for specific places that I have gone to multiple times, such as New York, Miami, California, Vegas. If you want tips about traveling on a budget, or even how to make your trip the best experience, I'll be glad to do some more videos for you. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and me and Q